Hello and welcome to my social media network API demo using Postman and VS Code. We have all of our routes here that are working, and we will see that when we delete a user, all of its thoughts are also deleted. But in order to start that, let's start our server, and we can see currently that we are on 3001. We currently don't have any users, so let's create one. And I'll be creating multiple users just to have things to test out. There's one user. There's two users. And there's three users. So now this is our get route for all of our users. You can see they all have unique IDs. None of them have any friends yet. And to see if we can get just one user, go over here, we can put their ID in here, and we will get just that one user. And in order to update that user, go over here, you can see that now our user has been updated and they have the same ID still. In order to delete a user, maybe let's create a fourth. You can see that there are indeed 4 users. And we get a nice prompt that tells us, console logs it for us, and then we can see it goes back down to 3. So those are all of our user routes. Now if we can go to our thought routes, you can see right now, oh, these are thoughts from in our database from users that I haven't deleted. And so if we get if we create a thought, and let's oh, sorry about that. Which user is this? Let's take this one. This is for create a thought. Paste that on here. The username is Luffy, and our thought is going to be meat. Or about I love meat. Let's do I want to eat. Send. You can see here in our thoughts, it's right here. And if we want to see just one specific thought, go over here, paste that, and we see our specific thought. To update our thought, go over here and we can say, I really, really want to eat meat. And we can see in our one thought, right here it hasn't been updated, and now it's been updated. To delete a thought, I'm actually going to see if we can, actually, let's delete these thoughts because I forgot to delete the users for these. It was when I had errors. I don't think actually these thoughts were created when my code wasn't working properly, so I don't know. They will act finicky. But okay, so that shows our thoughts being deleted. Let's add reactions to our thoughts. So in order to add reactions, we need our thought ID. Coming right up, Luffy. There it is, and there is our date format also working for our thoughts. But if we want to see that, we can get all our thoughts and see our reaction body. In order to delete that same thing, let's copy the reaction ID. And we also do need a thought ID. And our reaction is gone. As you can see. And now in order to add friends, we will look at our users. We'll copy one user's ID here, and then another user's ID after that. Seems like it's worked, so then we want to go check. We see Luffy's thought, and his friend count is now 1. Great. And now for the final one, in order to show that, oh, I'm sorry, we haven't shown delete. We haven't shown the delete. So let's copy this. Go over here. And you see how friend count is 1. Refresh it, friend count is 0. And the friend ID is also gone. For our last thing, let's delete Luffy, and we will see that Luffy's thought is also gone. And so you can see right now that there's the thought ID and everything like that. When we go here to delete our user, Luffy disappears from over here, and when we try to get his thought again, it says no thought with his ID found. This has been my demo. I hope you liked it. Sorry for the static again, and goodbye.